Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix mobile usability issues on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and then go to your Shopify admin page. After that, click on the online store button, and after that, click on the themes button. Now, after clicking the themes button, a page will appear, and now you have to click the customize option. After clicking the customize option, you'll see more options, and then you should click on edit code option. After clicking on edit code option, search theme.css in the search bar, or you can also search theme.scss. Now click on the assets button and then click on theme.css. Now copy the code and paste it at the bottom and click on the save button. So that's how you will fix the mobile usability issue on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.